guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the team. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading, but we're going to be talking about time frames to find the perfect support and resistance levels. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, if you guys want to check out my brand new swing trading course where we talk about my strategies, my mindset, how I find stock. It's pretty much just a one-stop shop for all of your swing trading needs. I'll put it down below. We're doing a Black Friday sale, so check it out. But guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Let's dive into this. Let's go. So one of the most common questions I get asked on this channel for swing trading is, Carter, I want to start swing trading, but what time frame should I be looking at for my charting system? So the first thing I always ask them is, how long do you plan on holding your stocks? Now, the reason why this is so incredibly important is because personally, what I look for when looking at certain time frames, I look at how long I plan on holding the stocks. Now, as swing traders, on average, I do hold my swing trades for near and around 14 days. Now, obviously, this is the average. So I will have times where I sell them, within 2-3 days. And then I'll also have times we're holding for 2 or 3 months. The time frame that I personally absolutely love to use, I love to look at the total yearly chart. And then I look at each candlestick represents 1 day. For me, this is a great time frame to actually find key support and resistance levels. Now, if you compare this to like long-term investing, I love to look at long-term investing where you're looking at a 10-year chart or a 20-year chart to get a general idea of where this company has gone in the past and where it can go in the future. Also, another clear example is looking at like a day trading chart. You're looking, in most cases, the max time you're going to be looking at is like the weekly chart, but on average, I actually look at more minute charts, 5-minute charts. Very rarely will I actually look at the daily chart, only to find some key support and resistance levels. Let me show you some examples of what I mean by this to the computer. Alrighty guys, so we are up and loaded here on Moomoo. Moomoo is the broker that I absolutely love for all things swing trading. I'll put a link to them down below. I highly recommend them for all things trading in general, day trading, swing trading, all that. So the chart that I absolutely love here when we are up and loaded here is the daily. Now, what this means is each of these candlesticks represents 1 day of trading. The reason why I like this over other time frames is because for me as a trader, it's a lot easier to look at this and get a general idea of where support's at, where resistance is at, and I love integrating different studies so I can see heavy support, heavy resistance. So let me show you what I mean by this. So you guys will see that near and around this $10.73 mark, you guys will see it just gets natural tendencies of getting a lot of support here. And what support is just a lot of buying pressure at that price. So pretty much it curls down once, twice, and even 3 times. So as a swing trader, where would you want to buy this stock? Very simple. You'd want to buy it near and around this $7 or this $10.70 mark. Hopping in here and obviously hoping to get buying pressure to go up to resistance. Now, you guys can easily see resistance here as well, where it comes in and hits it and we get sell off. I do think for me, the resistance is very heavy on that red line. That red line is a moving average line, which they act as, heavy support, heavy resistance when a stock is below it. Let me show you another clear example of this here. We can show you one here at ticker symbol. Let's do NVO, another stock that I recently been swing trading here. You guys will see that what support is near and around that 90 moving average line, so that blue line, and each candlestick represents 1 day. So you guys will see heavy support here, heavy support here. So where would you want to buy this stock? Near and around that 90-day moving average line. This is absolutely fantastic for pretty much all things swing trading. So like I said, you're hopping in here, and then within 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, you're possibly selling your stock here. You guys will see on this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. Like we said, the average is about 14, but this is still textbook trades by using pretty much the daily for your swing trades. Now, let me show you one for like a long-term investing and why I only use a little bit of a longer and bigger time frame. So for me here, this is SPY. This represents the S&P 500 index here. Now, the reason I love to look at it is because looking at it right now, it looks a lot more volatile, it looks a lot more risky. And if we go to like the quarterly chart, you guys will see, okay, we have a general upward trend. We got a little sell-off, a couple of times here and here, but overall the consensus is a lot of buying pressure. And looking back, you guys will see that this has had an average return rate of about 10%. So SPY, for long-term perspective, great move. Now, let's look at one for possible day trade. How we find stocks for day trading is we got to go to this Explore tab. This Explore tab, you guys will see stocks that are moving and grooving, stocks that are risky. So we'll just click this one right here, ICCT. Once we click this, look at it. This is on the quarterly, so you guys will see you can barely even understand it. The daily, okay, you guys will see that we've had general sell-off. How would you even trade this? But as we go to the minute chart and we start zooming out, you guys will see that, okay, maybe we have some support, maybe we have some resistance or some general downward trend. So it's a lot easier to look at this as a day trader and say, okay, we got general sell-off here. Maybe we'll possibly see if we can get a move that breaks above these, trend lines. This is how you guys could look at and how I would recommend adjusting your time frames to your type of trading and investing style. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one.